पाकिस्तान में एक रिपोर्टर एक इंटरव्यू ले रहा था एक आदमी का, तो पेट्रोल पंप पे खड़ा था। वो कह रहा है आपको क्या लगता है पेट्रोल महंगा हुआ, आपको क्या लगता है? वो कह रहा है मुझे क्या लगता है यार, मैं पॉजिटिव हूँ, मेरे को हॉस्पिटल जाना है। एंड यू हैव टू सी दैट रिपोर्टर्स फेस।
ये प्रकाश के हैं और ये भी heading out. So I need to do a radio interview. Now let's see if we can find my guy. What's up? ये मैं म्यूट कर रहा हूँ वरना मेरे को कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक लगेगा. This is Karan. Karan is gonna take me to the radio interview in his very sporty looking Lexus. Lexus ही है ना? Nissan? नहीं Nissan. दुबई में सब गाड़ी बेस्ट ही होता है. I swear. सुबह से इतनी सारी स्पोर्ट्स कार देख देख के खुश हो गया. How far is the thing? 35. Okay. How long is the interview? 5 minutes ही रहेगा. 15 मिनट max. So when you go to Dubai, you end up doing a radio spot because Dubai में radio is a big thing among Indian people और Indian people बहुत है और you know radio station का. So I went to Big FM, which is where I usually end up going also when I think about it, and it was pretty nice. I didn't know who I was going to be interviewed by, but we had MJ Arbit, and by the way वहाँ पे RJ नहीं MJ होते हैं apparently, but yeah, we had MJ Arbit, and it was nice. We had a good time. Right.
Show name is ASAP.
Okay.
Yeah.
What? I'm assuming that's a funny full form for ASAP.
We don't do that here.
Not really. Because evening सब लोग को घर भागने की जल्दी होती है.
हाँ.
So ASAP is as soon as possible. So that's
You're the producer for the show or you're also
Me?
Yeah?
I'm the marketing head.
Yeah. Hey man.
Hi, what's up?
Akash, nice to meet you man.
Come on. I stalked your Instagram.
हाँ,
Why do
Instagram
people
पे तो
watch
कुछ नहीं है यार. Instagram is dead for me.
So ये किधर जाता है ये?
ये YouTube पे जाता है. हाँ, उधर भी कोई नहीं देखता, but मैं बनाता हूँ.
This is the iOS of radio.
Right.
It's RCS Zeta.
Yeah. It's gorgeous, dude. And
Yeah.
people, you know, they talk about algorithms now, but like radio has been using algorithms to pick songs for years.
Yeah.
And
That's
doing
right.
a pretty good job of it also.
That's right.
That's how you always know कि like अरे banger के बाद banger.
Correct.
When I met MJ Arpit, what I thought would be a short interview ended up being a pretty long one actually. We ended up talking about a lot of different things. And he kept saying कि अच्छा है मेरे को बहुत सारा content मिल रहा है. पता नहीं उसने कभी डाला कि नहीं.
एक बार बता कि यहाँ पे आया दुबई में सब सेट है, मतलब टेस्ट वगैरह हुआ, everything happened perfect.
I had 2 tests. I've given 3 tests in the last 48 hours.
Oh really?
Yeah, all of which have been negative by the way.
Thank you. You're sitting next to me. Thank you for saying that out.
That would have been great though. If I was like, oh, by the way.
Surprise, motherfucker!
You know, I was seeing this thing. पाकिस्तान में एक रिपोर्टर एक इंटरव्यू ले रहा था एक आदमी का, तो पेट्रोल पंप पे खड़ा था। वो कह रहा है आपको क्या लगता है पेट्रोल महंगा हुआ, आपको क्या लगता है? वो कह रहा है मुझे क्या लगता है यार, मैं पॉजिटिव हूँ, मेरे को हॉस्पिटल जाना है। एंड यू हैव टू सी दैट रिपोर्टर्स फेस।
ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो।
आकाश, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टॉकिंग टू अस। कुछ बोलना चाहेगा जिससे लोग आए?
नहीं.
Silence speaks more than words.
Coming back, the guy who was driving me back didn't want to go by Sheikh Zayed Road because the traffic update in the radio show said कि वहाँ पे बहुत traffic है. So we ended up going from this back road. जहाँ से बहुत दूर से सब कुछ दिखा और दुबई का skyline, oof. Man, that's one thing I love about this place. The buildings, so gorgeous. These buildings everywhere. These buildings. Anyway, I had a night before the show was happening and I had already tested negative again. So I thought it would be a good time to go and check out a local open mic. दुबई में थोड़ा सा शुरू हो गया था open mic scenes. बीच में शूट करता रहूँगा.
Sure. मास्क देखो ना फायदा क्या व्लॉग.
ए ला लो फाइन लगा देंगे यार तुम्हें.
वरुण भाटिया कॉमेडी इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल फॉलो कर लो. गरीब कॉमेडियन दुबई.
You realize I'll edit this later, right?
50 रुपया कट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह.
Open mics where you get chai and samosa.
You have samosa
with the
and
open mic.
chai.
It was nice to check it out, and I couldn't perform because the organizer didn't want us to perform anywhere else before or after the show, which by the way is kind of weird because I was like, practice दे यार, कल बहुत बड़ा show है. But anyway, watched the open mic, felt very scared for the next day, and next day went for tech check. तो ये अपने शो का वेन्यू है. काफ़ी सज-धज के रखा है क्रिकेट बोर्ड. बताओ. The night before the show, I was shitting bricks. So I'm going on stage after 215 days. Gone for Tish. It's like usually ना anxiety रहता है बड़े शो के पहले, कोई भी शो के पहले, right? Because you want to do well. That's how you know you care. Because you're nervous about the result. You're nervous about performing well. That's good. That's good energy and it can be used well. Oh man, जो level पे गान फट रहा है मेरा. But this was also just generally गान फटेश. You know what I mean? Suddenly you're watching something and distracting yourself and you hear this गान फटेश. It's there. It's just there. Constantly hovering गान फटेश. ऐसा हर जगह. I don't even know how it's gonna feel like गान फटेश. Only one way to find out, huh? देखते हैं.
Special, the very hilarious Akash Mehta.
So I'm going to rely on you all for the energy. I hope I can get it. Yeah? That was absolutely disgusting. I have seen more energy from COVID patients who can't fucking breathe. I haven't living in Bombay. I've seen some. Don't worry. Can I get an actual little bit of noise from you? Oh, thank God! You know how much I missed that? Oh, I came a little. बहुत गान फटा, पर शो किया और काफी सही भी गया. And I was quite happy with myself, considering the fact that I got on stage after 215 days. My God, that's a ridiculous amount of time. हम भाग रहे हैं एयरपोर्ट पे, क्योंकि थोड़ा लेट हो गया. खाना आने में थोड़ा लेट हो गया था. ओह अजीम भाई, रुकते हैं. धन्यवाद. वो पावर अडेप्टर ले लिया ना? हाँ ले लिया. और कैसा लगा शो? गुड ब्रो. Build it. हो गया किल. अब मुंबई. Okay, so I'm on the flight back. I'm sitting in the flight, and I filled the declaration before getting on the flight. And now I'm filling 2 declarations once I'm on the flight. This is apart from the exemptions that I've already filled out. हर चीज़ का 2 कॉपी है. समझ रहे हो? An undertaking and then there is a self-reporting. On top of the existing shit. So, mind you, इंडिया में 5:15 बजे, मतलब यहाँ पे 3:45 बजे. फ्लाइट ऑलरेडी डिलेड है. घूम फिर के वापस इंडिया आ गए और इंडिया जाके ही पता चल जाता है कि बहुत सारे पेपर साइन करने पड़ेंगे और बहुत सारे फॉर्म्स भरने पड़ेंगे. एंड यू नो व्हाट, हाउएवर इट इज, एटलीस्ट यू आर बैक होम. वो चल नहीं रहा था, फिर चलाएंगे कुछ. That was this week's vlog. I hope you guys had a good time. अगले हफ्ते एक और कहानी होगी, कुछ और बताएंगे. और हे 10 तक पहुंच गए. Only, oh god, only 94 more to go. See you next week. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, I hope you've been enjoying the vlog so far. अभी बहुत सारे और आने हैं. And it's an exciting time to be alive. Because live stand-up is back. It's back. It's happening in certain places and for a bit now. We don't know. केस बढ़ जाएंगे तो शायद बंद करवा देंगे. But अभी हो रहे. तो जब तक हो रहे तब तक हम लोग फटाफट थोड़े shows करके, रिकॉर्ड करके एडिट करके डाल देंगे, पर उसको लगेगा 1-2 महीना। तो एंड ऑफ दिसंबर नए स्टैंड अप वीडियोस आ जाएंगे, विच मीन्स कि जब AMF खत्म होगा पॉडकास्ट तभी नए एपिसोड्स आ जाएंगे। अब 1-1.5 महीना क्या करें, सिर्फ व्लॉग से पेट नहीं भर सकते।
नहीं।
So in the meanwhile, I would like you to come and join me on Discord. We have made a server. It is a gorgeous server and we do a lot of fun things there. In terms of discussions, in terms of games, we're going to be doing open mic soon. We're going to have AMF episodes live, at least the last few ones that are there for patrons. All the deliverables for patrons will be there. If you are on the website or a member or a patron or whatever, you will get an email with a form. So just fill it, come over to Discord and you can enjoy all the benefits that will be delivered through Discord now. For if you've not given money ever anywhere, it doesn't matter. This is not a paid Discord. Just come and chill. And we do radio shows at night and we do cricket conversations throughout the week. We have a whole bunch of shit happening and I would love for you to be there with me. So aa jao, I'll see you there. And don't worry, December se stand up chalu hai. So bye.